Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this M2355. The M240s will be the same, M3s, M4s, you name it, they're all going to be the same engine. My point here is, if you're getting this fault code 108001 intake air temperature sensor electrical short circuit, if you're getting that fault code and you're getting drivetrain warning, or if your car's juddering, losing power, it's drinking more fuel than normal, it goes back to this sensor here, guys, the MAF sensor, which, let me see if I can get, no, which is to do with this anyway. They do pack in, it's not end of the world. So, and you want to get original OEM if you're going to change it. There is a few way around it. First thing first would be you can take it off, give it an electrical spray cleaner, put it back, reset the adaptions, move on. If that works, happy days, you've saved yourself 50 quid, 60 quid maybe. If not, you buy an original OEM, please, and then just fit it on. Again, do a reset of the adaptation, and then it'll just be a case of plug and play. But that's where the sensor is. It's really easy to DIY job. Them two bolts, move and change them, done and dusted. That's what that means. You won't usually bring them two up. Them two are different. Them two are to do with this one here.